These are the good moments, the simple ones, the ones that matter. These are the moments that keep me from falling apart.
You're the first face that I see, and the last thing I think about. You're the reason that I'm alive. You're what I can't live without. You're what I can't live without. You never give up when I'm falling apart. Your arms are always open and wide, and you're quick to forgive when I make a mistake. You love me in the blink of an eye. I don't deserve your love, but you give it to me anyway. Can't get enough. You're everything I need, and when I walk away, you take off running and come right after me. It's what you do, and I don't deserve you.